So now we'll study about the significance of the class 2 associated antigen presentation. As we know, class 2 MHC or MHC class 2 is generally represented by the antigen presenting cell in response to the exogenous antigens. So what are the physiological significance of the class 2 associated antigen presentation? So first of all, we can see in this diagram, so class 2 MHC associated presentation of the extracellular antigen to the helper T cell. So these are the macrophages, these are the antigen presenting cells, and this is suppose the extracellular antigen. So these macrophages process the extracellular antigen by the exogenous pathway, and it combines with the Th helper cell, which represent the CD4 plus receptor, and it secretes cytokines. After that, after the antigen presentation, the effector function is stimulated by the T cell, that is macrophages activation and destruction of the phagocyte antigen. The first step is macrophages process the extracellular antigen, that is exogenous antigen, and after that it combines with the Th helper cell with the help of the CD4 plus receptor, and CD4 plus receptor, by combining with the Th helper cell, this Th helper cell secretes some cytokines, and after that in the third step, second step is the antigen presentation, first step is the antigen uptake or synthesis, and third step is the effector function stimulated by the T cell, that is the destruction of phagocyzed antigen. In the second case, the antigen B specific B cells encounters an extracellular antigen, so it is processed inside the cell with the help of the exogenous pathway, as we have studied already, exogenous pathway, and when it encounters a CD4 plus receptor in the T lymphocyte, that is specifically TC cell, the TC cell secretes cytokines, and in response the effector function stimulated by T cell is B cell antibody secretion, so antibody binding to the antigen and its destruction. So first step is always in the physiological significance of the class 2 associated antigen presentation is antigen uptake or synthesis by the two pathways that we have already studied. First one is exogenous pathway and endogenous pathway. Exogenous pathway is mainly performed by the MHC class 2 and with the help of the antigen presenting cell, that is B cell, dendritic cell and macrophages. And second one is the endogenous pathway, where the antigen resides inside the cell only, such as in case of the viral infections. So here we have seen the physiological significance of the class 2 associated antigens, where first step is the antigen uptake or synthesis, second is the antigen presentation, and what is the effector function stimulated by the T cells. So hope that it helps. This diagram explains very simply about the physiological significance of the class 2 associated antigen presentation. Thank you.